Hey, what's up, guys? We're doing our first mail day video here. We have a couple of packages, obviously, so let's go ahead and get these things open. I'm pretty sure these are Mark 85 and Mark 50, and this is probably 85 right in here. Should always cut away from your body, but I do it pretty safely, and I've hardly cut myself, so. Alright. Oh yeah. Hell yeah, dude, I can't wait to review that. This looks so good in person. I love it. And then this is probably Mark 50 with the nano accessories. If I can get it open, I don't know where the package in there is, so I don't want to just force the knife down in there. There we go. Alright. Wrapped in bubble wrap. Yay. Man, that looks so good. I don't know which one I'm going to review first, though. I guess I'll let you guys decide down in the comments if you want. But, yeah, that's about it. And then we got some rough tech parts for my Mafex figures and whatnot. Alright, I'll see you guys in the next review. Peace.